So on your piece of paper, I want you to write your favorite places. Just write my favorite places. And guys, remember when you're writing on a blank piece of paper, you have the margin up top and the holes should be on your left-hand side. Okay, so that way it faces the correct way when we put it in our binder. Right, my favorite places. So today in writing, we're just going to talk about, when we work on an essay, our brainstorming, how we brainstorm. Okay? And we're not making a full essay today, we're just brainstorming a lot of ideas. Okay, so right now what I want you to do, and it does, not in a list, but kind of just act as this has a bubble map. I want you to take a couple minutes, and I'm going to do the same thing. I want you to write just all over your page some different places you like to go. Okay? This could be anything from your couch to a vacation you've been on. Hey, I'm not judging your favorite place. I love my couch. Okay? So your favorite places. Okay? If you want to make a need, if it's kind of like hurts your brain to have it all clustered all over the place, you can write like, you can do, split your paper up like this, and then down the middle, so that way there's like 6 different sections, and do it that way. That's fine. Or you can just have it kind of spread out all over the place. So these are going to kind of be like my individual bubble maps. Okay? So I want you, while I'm writing, I want you to write not what I'm writing, but your favorite places. Okay? So I'm going to put my couch on one of them. And we're going to talk about why some are good to use and some aren't after we stop writing. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple minutes. And I'm going to circle the place inside of it just so I know that that's what the favorite place is, because we're going to be doing something else in these boxes later. And I'd like you to come up with at least 5. If you can do more, great. My parents do.
Oh, what?
Okay. Okay, so I put 6 different places for me. This is for me personally. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is now you're going to come up with some reasons why. Not small reasons, but bigger reasons. Okay? So, like, let's take, I'm going to go, this one's easy. So you don't have to go in the order that it's actually written on here. I'm going to go with Portland. Okay, this is where I was born. Okay, this is, so I'm going to put family because I still have a lot of family that lives in Portland. I'm not going to put the names of my family yet. I'm not going to put little details. So this is going to be like a big detail. And then later I can put, you know, some names of like my aunts and uncles and cousins and stuff like that. So I could put my, you know, my Uncle Steve, stuff like that. So we have our big area, okay, our big idea, our reason, our details. Okay, so think about our thing yesterday. We had our thesis. Then so this would be my favorite place is Portland. One reason is because of my family. And then once I got into that paragraph, this would be part of my details. Okay? So what I want you to do is with all of these, I want you to try to think of as many different reasons as you can, and then afterwards go through and add the details to them. Okay? And this is going to be one of our starting points for writing, not today, but for later. Okay? So that way, if you don't have anything to write about, I'll be like, pull out your favorite places page. You can do something on that one. Okay? Just like we did with the writing on during internet time, during our online time. Okay?